Hello guys, it's Cody. Because my Spotify API has get my Spotify account has been suspended, so my API won't work. So I'm gonna show you how to use this Shazam to Spotify playlist shortcut with your own API key. So if you have ever run this shortcut, this will create a folder and file in shortcuts Spotify. So first we're gonna delete that file. Open Files app, iCloud, shortcuts, Spotify, delete this one. Okay. Go back to shortcuts. So here is the redirect URL. So first now I'm gonna create tags. Create a tags here. I'll add a comment. Here it is. Say enter your client, Spotify client ID here. Below. I'm gonna set a variable. Set variable client ID. Add another tags. Just below it. And set a variable client secret. Okay. Also add a comment. Client secret. So first I'm gonna go to developer the Spotify.com and log in. Let's see password. So here we go to dashboard. Dashboard. I already have an created an app. So you create the app. You see here this button, create app. Then you give it a name, any name. Give it any name, test. Let me just test. Description, testing. Website. No need. Redirect URL. You need to copy this URL. You can use any URL, but if you use this URL, it's easier to copy the authorization code. If you don't use this URL, you need to change the shortcut, the URL as well. You need to change that URL in the shortcut. So tap save. So I have this test app. So I'm gonna click settings. So here is the client ID and client secret. So I'll probably use this one. I'll use this one. I will use this. Copy this client ID. Client ID here. And go back. Client secret. Copy this client secret. Set a variable. So here client ID. I'm gonna change it. Delete this. Client ID, select variable, client ID, tap down, direct URL. Here, there is client ID, change it to client ID, and here, client secret. Down. So if you don't use this redirect this URL, you need to also change this in the shortcut. So let me see if that's all. Here I'll change this as well. Client ID. Client secret. That should be it. Now let me run it to see if it works. So to copy the authorization code, you need to log into Spotify. If you haven't, you would. I already logged in, so you directly go to the redirect URL. Is here. Copy the Spotify authorization code. Copy code. Tap down. Play some music. It's recognized. Now, as mentioned, my Spotify previous Spotify account is suspended. So this is my new Spotify account. I only have one playlist. So I'll just tap this, select a playlist. You will list all your playlist. Top 10. Your 10 playlist. Okay. It's added to my playlist. Maybe later. See here? Add a few songs. I just say you won't let go. Okay, you can copy your playlist ID. Copy your playlist ID and enter it here to here. So you will directly get to the playlist without asking you. So this shortcut only works for you, just only works for the users you enter the client ID and client secret. So if you want to share it to your friend, you can go to the dashboard and you act users settings, go to settings, users management. You can add email and full name here. Add users, you can add up to 25 users. So you only need to change, you need to create, so you need to create a Spotify app. Then you copy the client ID and client secret. Then that's it. Okay. If there is any problem using this shortcut, you can leave a comment down below or contact me on Telegram. I'll share the Telegram link in the description. Okay, as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.